Hello guys, this is my second video about Scratch Junior. Inside this video I'll tell you how to animate the stuff which you make. And as I told you, you'll have to press that icon to choose a new page. Okay, and this character comes as always. Okay, so now if you want any other type of background today we can choose underwater. Okay, so as I told you want to choose it, you'll have to press that tick button. Okay, so it's chosen now. Now we'll have to choose characters. Look, these are the three scuba divers which are named by default. This one over here, you can even, if you want any fishes, you can even choose fishes. Like, wait a second. Like here, these two fishes. Its size is already perfect because it's too small. Okay, like this. Here are two different types of fishes. And now we can even choose this seahorse. If you don't need this fish, it's okay because more characters can't fit. Okay, so now we can even take this whale if you want, and we can make this diver more small. And right now it's showing this. This will shrink it 2 times as what we call. It'll shrink it 2 times more. Okay, so you'll have to change this into one like this. Now you can make him more small like this. And now this fish, you can even turn this fish more small because it's too big for the diver. Okay, so now to start all the animation which you want, you'll have to come to this yellow type icon uh, which actually means a key. Okay, so you'll have, and now you see all of these. This one is saying send orange start message. Okay, this one is saying start on bump fish, start on tab fish. Okay, like that. And this is saying start on green flag. What they mean by is that it will start all the animation from the green flag. So we'll take this green flag like this. Okay, you can make him move any side. Like this round one makes him twist. I mean turn around. Okay, so now we can make him do it 4 times. Then you can even make him turn. I mean move front for 2 steps. Okay, and then you can even make him move like that. Okay, now to end this animation, you'll have to come to this uh, red logo, and then you'll take this first icon. If you'll take this one, this will make all the stuff repeat and repeat forever. Okay, so for now we don't have to repeat it. So we'll take this normal stopping one. Now look, he will start to move. Okay, now to make him come to the um, area um, area where he was before, you see this button, right? Like the jump and then the cross. come over here. This was his area where he was standing before. Wait, it'll be better if he's here. Wait, we can make him move for more longer. Like we can make him move down 3 steps. Then we can make him move this way 4 steps. And then we will re-put this stop button. Now let's see how he moves. Look like this, he will be going down like that. Okay, but it seems a bit odd to me, so for now I will just make him re-tilt that way. Wait. Okay, I'll just make him come on the same position where he was. So now I'll take this other tilt one. And I'll make him tilt 4 again. Now the green flag I'll press. Yeah, now this one doesn't look odd. Okay, now like that. And now the fish. Again we'll have to take the green flag. Okay. Now you can make the fish move any side. Like usually fishes move up and down really fast. Okay, so then you can make this fish come down. Then you can make it tilt this way, then this way, then up. You can even change how many times they're moving. Like you can make just click on this. You can rather choose from here or you can rather choose from your keyboard. Okay, so just you can choose any other type of number, but for now we'll stick with 1. Then take this end button, then put this over here. Now you will see that the diver and the fish, both of them will move. So look. Yeah, this one looks good now. And the seahorse will even move. Okay, so I'll make it move 2 steps. Now for the whale, I will choose this green flag for this. I can make wait first. To make it look like the whale just came few time before, take this one, which is actually saying hide. Okay, take this hide one like this. Then take the show one. It's saying show like this. Okay, and so then make it move 3 steps. And then you can even make it move up. Now like this, you will take the end button again. Now you will see all of them starting to move. Wait. It looks like a diver got a knock from the whale. Anyways, it's good. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I will teach you how to make the full proper animations which I learned from my school. Please subscribe the video if you like it.